Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to play NASCAR in Real Racing 3. First, obtain a NASCAR car. Participate in limited time events. NASCAR cars are frequently available as rewards for completing special events such as the Daytona 500 event or the NASCAR Academy. These events may require specific performance ratings to enter or have a time limit for completion. Purchase cars during season releases. Real Racing 3 may release new NASCAR cars and seasons, offering them for purchase in-game. Utilize a loaner car. Some events or challenges may loan you a NASCAR for a limited period, allowing you to experience the races without ownership. Number 2. Access to NASCAR events. Once you own or have access to a NASCAR vehicle, navigate to the relevant series or events. For example, completing the NASCAR Academy unlocks the NASCAR Talent Tour, which includes various NASCAR races. Number 3. Learn NASCAR specific techniques. Real Racing 3 incorporates aspects of real-world NASCAR racing. Drafting. Utilize the slipstream behind opponents to gain a boost on oval tracks. Master the technique of drafting and then pulling out to overtake at a higher speed. Learn how to drive effectively and strategically within a tight group of cars, minimizing collisions and maintaining speed. Some important notes. NASCAR content and events in Real Racing 3 are often subject to licensing agreements and may have limited availability or be featured during specific seasons. NASCAR events feature large grids of opponents of up to 42 cars on various tracks, including ovals like Daytona International Speedway and Richmond International Raceway, and road course variants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.